How to maintain color between salon visits. I used to give these tips to my salon clients to help them keep their color fresh after a service. Follow these steps and you'll be surprised how much these simple things affect longevity. Water temperature. The hotter the water you use to wash your hair, the faster the color fades. Water is a solvent and hot water dissolves things faster. Heat from dryers, starters and irons, same logic. High temperatures destroy color molecules. On average, even at 200 degrees Celsius, you can easily strip a blonde shade. If you use stylers often, don't forget to apply leave-in products with heat protection to create a film that prevents the color from burning out. If you live in a sunny region, you must apply products that protect the hair surface from UV rays, and they lead to very fast color loss. Also, if you are in the sun for a long time, use physical protection, hats, scarves or caps, especially for blonde and vibrant shades. Don't rush into heavy mask for the first 2 weeks. A good stylist should perform a reconstruction and properly finish the coloring process in the salon. If you want to use mask, it should be labeled for colored hair or toning and not repairing. If you love vibrant shades, vivid colors, or cool blondes and don't care as much about hair quality, you can choose lines for colored hair that focus on color retention and antioxidant protection. It sounds basic, but it works. Some brands and dyes have color molecules that continue to form even after you've rinsed and stabilized. The client goes home and the shade develops into a cooler tone. In this case, I recommend not washing your hair for the first 2 or 3 days if your dye works this way. Hair quality. Yes, you heard me right. Clients who come to my salon regularly or work with me online notice that not only does the hair feel better and style easier, but the color actually lasts longer. Color pigments can build more bonds inside hair that is healthy or properly prosthetically repaired. These are simple rules that are easy to follow if you don't want your color to wash out quickly. Like and subscribe. This was Vadim Paradox. See you soon.